मेरे पास internships नहीं थे. I did not have a good CGPA to crack into a Russell Group University. So I think I feel great. It was unexpected honestly.
What was घर वालों का reaction to this?
My dad was very happy. He was like crazy happy. He was on cloud nine when he got to know कि मतलब इतने सारे offers आ गए. Because he was the one who always wanted me to go to the UK. मतलब उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि do this course, go get into political science and all of that. And my mom, she's a little emotional.
Mahi was never focused on theoretical part, but not heavily focused on theoretical part.
Yeah.
At the end, she wanted to work, like she worked in fields or in connected with societies as well. So for that same reason, political economy played a vital part because it is very centered towards its approach. Right, the kind of thing that political economy focuses upon is, as the name speaks, it's policy and economics.
King's College London, University of Manchester, Glasgow, Liverpool, Queen Mary, Sussex and SOAS. 8 out of 10 universities that we applied to, we are having an offer today. Hello everyone. Welcome to another Ace My Prep podcast for the series of Fall 2024, and today we are here to discuss what does it take to crack the top universities in the Russell Group for UK. Today we have with us one of our brightest students, Mahi, who will be going for MA in Political Economy at King's College London. Welcome our dearest student, Mahi. Hi Numair, hi Mahi, welcome to the podcast. So ठीक है, before starting, बहुत जो हमने पहले भी बात करी थी, we'll keep this as unfiltered as possible. जो बात करनी है वैसे जैसे करना है, we are just conversating here, so let's keep it that way. ठीक है? All right, perfect. So today basically we are here to discuss about, हम इतना UK का I think recession के बारे में सुनते हैं, UK का post study work visa change हो रहा है, Russell Group universities, what does it take to even crack these big brand names? We'll be discussing about everything. तो उसमें jump करने से पहले माही 8 offers आ गए from the 10 applied. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. मैंने तो honestly एक या दो भी expect नहीं किए थे because मेरे पास internships नहीं थे. I did not have a good CGPA to crack into a Russell Group University. So I think I feel great. It was unexpected honestly.
What was घर वालों का reaction to this?
My dad was very happy. He was like crazy happy. He was on cloud nine when he got to know कि मतलब इतने सारे offers आ गए. Because he was the one who always wanted me to go to the UK. मतलब उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि do this course, go get into political science and all of that. And my mom, she's a little emotional. अब जाना पड़ेगा.
So you're the first one from the family?
Yeah, from my own family, I'm the first one, yeah.
Okay, all right. So we are having 8 offers अभी total out of the 10. And अभी फिर finalize क्या exactly कर रहे हैं?
ठीक है, तो as of right now, Mahi के पास she cracked 7 Russell Group universities out of the 8 offers, and amongst them King's stand at the top.
Okay.
So because she has applied to some other universities by herself as well. So in case if we are getting into that university which she has applied to, तो King's drop करेंगे. But as of right now अभी के लिए we're going to go with King's. In fact deposit भी pay कर दिया मैंने.
Oh, that's perfect. So reject कौन से 2 university से थे?
UCL and LSE.
UCL and LSE.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And so अभी I believe Numair mentioned to me कि LSE के through आपको एक mail आया था stating you can choose another program.
Yeah.
So what's up with that?
We had a talk about the same thing as well few weeks ago, and for that itself I advised her कि in case if you want to apply to LSE, you shouldn't drop it because LSE ने clear reject नहीं दिया है. ठीक है, the university rejected her for the international policy जिसके लिए हमने apply किया था, but apart from it they asked her to apply to some other program.
Okay.
So for that Mahi ने भी शुरू किया process. I guess application submit हो गया है.
Just अभी recently submitted.
Yes.
You have submitted
Yeah.
it. And
We're
when
expecting कि LSE respond करेगा and
by
positively.
when exactly are we expecting?
The applications are on rolling basis as of right now. So
हाँ.
the window is still open for the application part.
Okay.
So I think probably by 2 to 3 weeks. At max.
मतलब जून में पता चल जाएगा. And if at all you get an offer from LSE, then we are dropping off Kings.
Probably. Yes.
Probably yes. So you will be getting a refund as well from them. ठीक है. Okay. All right. Perfect. So माही the offers अभी जो आए हैं सारे unconditional हैं या condition हैं?
Conditional offer है because I haven't completed my graduation yet. अभी जून में I will graduate.
हाँ.
तो उसके बाद and I haven't also taken my IELTS.
Okay. So one quick question I had क्योंकि UK is majorly known to give IELTS waivers, that is medium of instruction MOI very easily. So why did we not apply via MOI and why are we taking an IELTS उसमें condition डालते हैं?
ठीक है. First of all, when it comes to UK specifically, MOI or ESL English as secondary language, both of them they does stand as a substitute for the IELTS exam or any English proficiency exam for that matter. But what happens now, if you bring IELTS to the table, credibility increases of your visa. Okay? So if you guys are aware of the fact that before visa you have to apply for your CAS ID.
Yes.
Right. So CAS के लिए you have to submit something in terms of English proficiency. It could be an MOI, it could be an ESL. But CAS के लिए university they reach out to the Homeland Security or Home Office, particularly in UK. ठीक है. तो for that same reason IELTS थोड़ा सा एक standpoint बढ़ा देता है.
Okay.
So
your
that
chances
become we can convert her offer letter with an MOI to an unconditional one. But I would suggest her to give an IELTS exam because IELTS based on her proficiency I think she can crack it with flying colors. But yes, and IELTS visa में help करेगा आपको at the end.
कब दे रहे हो माही IELTS?
That is a question left unanswered.
जून में
से तो यही हो रहा है अभी.
जून में मेरे एग्जाम खत्म हो रहे 5th of June.
So anytime after that.
अभी मुझे
So you're right now preparing for your IELTS.
Yeah.
You are parallelly with your exams. You're preparing for IELTS as
I'm
well.
doing that.
Post that you will take it up.
Yeah.
How confident are you IELTS हो जाएगा?
ये मेरा
I'm
भी
very
question mark है.
confident.
I'm very confident because I don't think it is a very tough nut to crack. It's very easy, I feel.
अच्छा, what is the deadline from the university? ये condition
26th
26th August.
26 August.
तो अभी तो टाइम है.
बट ये टाइम है करके let's not
हाँ, of
stretch it a
course,
lot.
of course.
ठीक है. All right, तो एक काम करते हैं, शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. When did this thought come कि बाहर जाना है? Like you mentioned dad का था.
Yeah.
So बचपन से था that after your bachelor's.
Yeah,
I think when I was in the 9th grade,
हाँ.
मतलब I had this conversation कि I want to pursue something in the arena of social science.
Okay.
मुझे arts लेना है. Eventually I told this to my parents and my dad was like कि ठीक है go for political science.
Okay.
He really liked that subject, so उन्होंने बोला go for it and then आगे go for international relations, go for politics and go abroad करना. Don't do that in India because of course there is a lot of exposure for this subject particularly. I think India में there is only JNU which stands at the top for political science for masters.
Agreed.
So
Did you ever ask your father about why did he ask you particularly to go for political science? ऐसा कभी दिमाग में आया है?
हाँ, मैंने पूछा था why do you want me to like pursue this subject? Why not history or something else? तो उन्हें हमेशा से like बहुत पसंद था. He was always intrigued कि मतलब this is a very fascinating subject. He used to teach me during my school time.
Okay.
तो उन्हें देखा that I was very much interested in this subject. He saw how much I liked it, so I think it came from there only.
He is in the same domain.
Yeah, he is actually a civil servant. So
Okay. Nice. Okay. तो UK क्यों exactly, like why not any other country?
सेम थिंग बिकॉज फॉर दिस कोर्स मैंने रिसर्च खुद से जो भी किया था आई हैव थॉट दैट यूके इज द बेस्ट द ROI आई थिंक बेस्ट यूके का ही मिलता है तो दैट इज व्हाई आई वेंट फॉर
Your
यूके
thoughts? Any other country best for this?
Best for this particular course?
Yeah, IR Pol Science in this domain.
I would say, Mahi is quite right over here in terms of the course because UK is renowned for these courses. These theoretical courses. I wouldn't recommend technology or anything related to management when it comes to UK to anybody in case if they're not planning to get into LBS, right? Because UK के अंदर target LBS, LSE, Imperial, King's, all of these universities. They, in fact, King's for that matter, where Mahi got an admit from. It is ranked 12th, particularly in 2024. It ranked 12th out of like probably 100 or 200 universities globally for this particular course itself. Right. So I think it's a very fair advantage to target UK because UK is comparatively easier than US, right? Because of the kind of eligibility and kind of requirements that are at ease over there. And yes, of course, ROI target करोगे तो ROI is not something. It's very subjective. It depends from people to people, right? And of course, for this course you could have targeted US as well. जो हमारी बात हुई थी, but preferences matter, right? So ROI for me, at least as a CS, I would suggest कि US could have been better, but it's not like UK is somewhere anywhere lesser than what US could offer because Mahi ने top-notch university crack करा, King's.
Yeah, absolutely. I think because see return of investment की जब बात करते हैं, there are two major functionalities there. One is the brand name जो हमने crack कर लिया. Second is the networking. Once you go there, आपको RATA होता है, that is research assistantship, teaching assistantship.
Right.
And you must have heard कि students जाते हैं वहाँ पे cafe में काम करते हैं और they're working doing these menial things, dog walking. But उससे you're earning well, but you are not making any strong network that would be anywhere helpful in your future. But if you take up RATA, you're earning well for sure, but आपका network इतना strong होता है कि आपको पता है down the line after this 1 year of course, these people will be having my back and things will be done. So that is the key pointer. These are the key pointers to even ensure a good ROI, I would say. बट एक जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन जो अभी मेरे दिमाग में हिट हो रहा है मानी कि दिस वाज देयर सिंस आपने जब बोला व्हेन यू वर इन 9th grade
Yeah.
to move abroad. So you got onboarded with us Ace My Prep last year December.
Yeah.
December 23 to be precise.
Yeah.
तो how come we got very late wherein we know कि round 1 हमारे सितंबर में खुल जाता है? So why or how did you get late?
Actually, मैंने kind of I was nervous by I think December. मुझे I was not really sure कि मुझे इस साल ही जाना है या should I wait more again because मेरे marks उतने अच्छे नहीं थे and मेरे पास कोई internships नहीं थे. I did not have anything that good जो मुझे लगा कि I wanted to go out, but I wanted to go to a good university.
Okay.
तो मुझे I wasn't sure कि with what I have on my plate मैं कोई अच्छा university crack कर पाऊँगी. That is why I thought to wait a little bit. But then फिर I was like ठीक है let's give it a try. एक बार बात करके देख लेती हूँ कि what if I can get somewhere. That is why I decided.
So then you spoke with a lot of people and
Yeah.
what gave you that sense of surety कि ठीक है अब actually कर लेते हैं because talking discussing is something else.
Yeah.
Putting it into actionable steps वो एकदम अलग हो जाता है. So
course.
what made you do that?
I actually spoke to 2 other people. So I wasn't very मतलब I spoke to them. I told them my problem कि ये चीज़ है मुझे and I was very late like I told you. So they were like अभी तो बहुत late हो गया है अभी देखना पड़ेगा ये कर तो I wasn't very assured और I was already very nervous उन्होंने और वो दे दिया like shit अब तो मतलब कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. That was, but then when I found you guys, मैंने आपसे बात की थी first time, so you gave me suggestions कि LinkedIn बनाओ. That was the first time I started my LinkedIn, and right now you told me to get followers on LinkedIn. So right now I have like 3,000 because of you.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's great.
I started building connections. I started posting stuff. So like तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है things can be done. Courses के लिए आपने बोला था तो I did courses from there. I bagged 2 internships. तो वो सब मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया था उसी टाइम बिकॉज नोबडी गेव मी सजेशंस कि ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं टू इम्प्रूव राइट देन एवरीवन इज लाइक ठीक है कम ऑन बोर्ड डू दिस पे द मनी ये कर लो ऐसे ऐसे बट दे वर लाइक अभी बहुत टाइम है मतलब बहुत टाइम नहीं है सॉरी अभी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क राइट नाउ तो मुझे मतलब वो अश्योरिटी नहीं मिली थी आई डिड नॉट गेट दैट सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि ठीक है इफ आई गेट ऑन बोर्ड विद दीज पीपल आई विल गेट इन टू समवेयर बट विथ यू गाइज आई थिंक दैट आई गॉट
You got that.
I got that feedback from you कि do this, do that. I really needed that at that point because I was kind of lost कि मैं क्या करूँ. How should I improve?
I think because every student comes with कि ये negatives हैं ये positives हैं
Right.
they always come with that and if we as counselors we tell them कि यार आपकी profile जैसी है उसके साथ चले जाओ we will never be able to crack anything
course.
great and I think Numair profile enhancement was the entire key to
Exactly.
this application है ना तो your major concerns when you came here was one your GPA
Yeah.
that was what exactly at that point
At that point I think it was 6.5
तो अभी we are completing our BA in
political science.
Political Science from Delhi University and we are around
7.
6.7 के आसपास अभी कितना है
अब तो एग्जाम होंगे अभी 6.7 ही है.
अच्छा अभी 6.7 ही है
हाँ.
okay and that was one concern and according to you how was it the profile
The profile ठीक है यार मेरा बहुत सिंपल सा फंडा रहता है प्रोफाइल को लेके कि I do not judge the initial profile that comes to me because your CGPA, your experience, or any other kind of number that you can attribute to the profile is just one side of the coin. To judge or to actually acknowledge a profile, you have to be very sure of the fact कि इस profile का potential क्या है. And when it comes to Mahi and the course that she was targeting, respectively, ठीक है, उसके लिए माही की प्रोफाइल पे एक्चुअली बहुत पोटेंशियल था बिकॉज एक अच्छा ब्रांड नेम था मेरे पास कॉलेज के लिए मैं 3DU ऑफ कोर्स पॉलिटिकल साइंस एंड दैट टू व्हेन इट कम्स टू यूके थोड़ा सा इफ आई हैव टू नैरो थिंग्स डाउन ठीक है तो यूके में दो से तीन तरह का ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम चलता है 2:1 2:2 लोअर 2:2 अपर 2:2 राइट सो फॉर दैट सेम रीजन बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू टॉप रैंक यूनिवर्सिटीज इन यूके जो कि टॉप नॉच यूनिवर्सिटीज के पास से चेहरा सर कर रहे हैं they do not accept anything below even 2:2 आपका जो categorization रहता है it's more than 65% precisely but for LBS LSE or King's and Imperial such universities their bare minimum criteria is according to the class profile of course it's close to 75% or 70% तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा issue होता है यार मेरे पास percentage में बहुत कम like the GPA in itself is not something which is compatible with the eligibility criteria ठीक है but that didn't stop us because of the fact कि माही के पास प्रोफाइल में काफी चीजें थी बात करने के लिए like for the same reason political science is not a number centric course ठीक है, rather it is more focused towards how diverse the profile is in terms of social contribution and social aspects of that. तो हमने बात करी, हमने इंटर्नशिप्स की बात करी थी, इनफैक्ट वी हैड वर्ड अबाउट एनजीओ पार्टिसिपेशन एज वेल एंड शी हैड दैट एट द टेबल, ठीक है, ऑलरेडी. तो इसी वजह से तो एप्लीकेशन इतनी जल्दी हो पाई. लाइक फॉर द सेम रीजन अगर माही बिल्कुल ब्लैंक आती, ट्रस्ट मी, अभी हम लोग प्रोसेस में होते हैं, आई वुड हैव सबमिट द एप्लीकेशन विद आई वांटेड टू क्रैक अ गुड यूनिवर्सिटी, ठीक है. तो फॉर दैट सेम रीजन एप्लीकेशन करना वाज नॉट माय एजेंडा, माय मोटिव, रादर माय पॉइंट वाज कि लाइक प्रोफाइल डिपेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट सही से हो जाए, यूनिवर्सिटी समझ जाए व्हाट माही इज केपेबल ऑफ, एंड आई थिंक इन द लॉन्ग रन वी गोना क्रैक इट एनी हाउ, ठीक है. सो फॉर दैट सेम रीजन हम लोगों ने काफी चीजें तो माइनस करी, काफी पब्लिकेशंस रिसर्च पेपर्स थे जो हमने नहीं दिखाए. द सेम रीजन यूनिवर्सिटीज, स्पेसिफिकली प्रेस्टिजियस यूनिवर्सिटीज, दे डोंट वांट अ लॉट नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर एंड, ठीक है. वो नहीं चाहती कि आप 10 on 10 बन के आओ, दे ऑल दे नीड इज द इंटेंट, ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक टुगेदर वी वर्क ऑन द इंटेंट only, ठीक है. we depicted the intent in the most passionate manner as possible and वहीं से offer है, right? And that intent depiction part is what the process was all about. Profile enhancement was about making sure that हम हर एक चीज को प्रोजेक्ट सही से कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. अगर आप करिकुलम उठा के देखोगे इस प्रोग्राम का, जो माही कर रही है ऑलरेडी, इनफैक्ट इसके लिए भी अप्लाई किया है, बहुत डाइवर्स है, ठीक है. कुछ बहुत सिमिलर चीजें नहीं होंगी, ठीक है, बट बहुत जैसे एलएसी के अंदर अगर हम लोग बात करें, ठीक है, जहाँ हमने अप्लाई किया जहाँ से रिजेक्ट आया, द मेन रीजन वाज इकोनॉमिक सेंट्रिक कोर्स था बहुत सारा. माही के पास इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, ठीक है. तो इसी वजह से एलएसी ने उन लोगों माही को पर्टिकुलरली सजेस्ट किया कि दूसरे प्रोग्राम में अप्लाई करो. किंग्स का जो प्रोग्राम है उसके अंदर करिकुलम, किंग्स की स्पेशलिटी है ना कि 190 क्रेडिट्स का आपका प्रोग्राम है, 180 क्रेडिट्स का पर्टिकुलरली. उसके अंदर 90 क्रेडिट्स आपके बाइफर्केट हो जाते हैं, 30 फॉर योर टॉट प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं जिसमें आपके लेक्चर्स सारी चीजें कवर होती हैं, एंड 60 कवर होता है आपका डिसर्टेशन में. When it comes to political science or anything in political domain particularly, dissertation plays a very vital role in getting you some recruitments in good companies, ठीक है, because it attributes a practical aspect. Dissertation का main purpose वही होता है, और यहाँ पे उसको high value कर दिया जा रहा है. 60 credits is, एक क्रेडिट का अगर मैं आपको लाइक टाइम बताऊँ तो इट्स क्लोज टू 10 hours एक क्रेडिट का होता है, just like 600 hours for your dissertation itself, right? Apart from it, 90 credits जो बच जाते हैं 180 में से, they are for your electives, ठीक है. electives इतने diverse हैं, like I was actually astonished, ठीक है, when I was selecting the program for you. In fact, if you remember, हमने international relations से इस पे आए थे किंग्स में, right? And that was for the same reason. International relations के अंदर वहाँ पे electives नहीं थे, okay, ठीक है. The program was about 125 credits if I'm not wrong, right? But इसके अंदर 90 credits के electives हैं, and that is very diverse. You can target fundamental economy, you can target development economy, you can go for suburban economy as well. Economics के बहुत credentials हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें electives में तो सीख सकती है माही. And Mahi wanted to add economy as something which is in the elective part, ठीक है, not in the core subject because वो background से नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर एक वो वाला भी angle हमारा satisfy हुआ. So for that same reason itself, Kings became something जो I was intrigued at, but of course LSE was my target personally, and we can.
Let's hope.
Absolutely, we are hoping for it. Fingers crossed. But I think the question is answered.
Yeah. तो इसमें when we were specifically speaking about profile enhancement की इसमें हमने ये चीज़ें ऐड करी. So again I would say कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बचती है. मतलब for example मानिए if I tell you कि यार ये करना है, NGO वर्क करना है, आर्टिकल्स लिखने हैं. If I just say and you are like मैं कर दूंगी but करोगे नहीं, और you have XYZ things on your plate और आप बोलोगे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं मिल रहा. So then वो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. So it's like you also showed that intent की, that zeal, passion की चलो करते हैं. हमने भी बोला ठीक है, you are showing that intent, हम भी कर लेते हैं, and then we moved ahead with that entire plan.
Right, like for colleges such as Jindal and other private universities, वहाँ पर research papers and research internships are already integrated in their courses.
Okay.
But in DU that is not the case. यहाँ पर simply examinations होते हैं, and there are no such projects, research projects or assignments. So that was a big factor कि मुझे independently जाके वो करना पड़ा. I had to find an institution, I had to find a think tank, and I had to approach them for an internship and publish my research paper for them. So that was the thing. तो उसमें मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया था.
तो नुमैर, जब like we are speaking about profile enhancement, what is the importance of these extras in the profile?
Okay. As I've said it before, when it comes to the profile evaluation part, universities, they do not seek for a profile which is solely built on numbers. ठीक है, the numbers could be your CGPA, any proficiency exam. Is
it the case with all the courses?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
ठीक है, I'm being very honest with you. This is a very generic information which is not at all generic. Trust me. ठीक है, it's not mainstream at all. People still in India they perceive this thing, the entire profile assessment part as कि सिर्फ अच्छा CGPA ले आओ, work experience ले आओ, you'll get anywhere.
नहीं भाई, I believe इंडिया में होते भी ना, मतलब मार्क्स ओरिएंटेड होता है सब कुछ.
Exactly. For management CAT तो निकलेगा, for technology IIT तो निकलेगा, ठीक है. Medical JEE and sorry NEET, ठीक है, and the list goes on and on. So for the same reason यार universities जो बाहर हैं, be it in US, UK, Europe or anywhere out there, ठीक है, any top university, they are very very holistic when it comes to evaluation part, ठीक है.
Okay.
They want a profile which can depict diversity. ठीक है, diversity it could अगर उसको further bifurcate करा जाए, ठीक है, it definitely includes your CGPA and your work experience in case if you're bringing any, ठीक है. It's not like कि CGPA 4 है मैं apply कर दूँ top end में हो जाएगा, नहीं, that's illogical. ठीक है, you have to carry a decent CGPA, but along with it you have to bring in something different, something catchy, something as of a spice to nail that application down, because university जो evaluate करेगी application वो बहुत थाउजेंड ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स को एक्चुअली एक्सेस करने की बात करने वाली है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से इट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन सिस्टम इट्स वे बेटर देन व्हाट इंडिया ऑफर्स एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स इंडिया इज इवॉल्विंग, वी गॉट न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, हैंड्स डाउन इट्स गोना बी समथिंग बेटर इन द फ्यूचर, बट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम नहीं. ठीक है, बिकॉज वोकेशनल प्रोग्राम्स नहीं है हमारे पास. ठीक है, ऑल वी केयर अबाउट, जैसे माही ने भी बोला कि DU सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी, it is not offering dissertation programs particularly जो private universities दे रही है. ठीक है, which is indeed a perk. Theoretical programs के लिए you need to have dissertations or research papers in fact integrated to your entire course curriculum. ठीक है, so that at the end student के पास कुछ एक solid practical aspect तो दिखाने के लिए. So profile evaluation या profile building part ना यहीं पे help करता है.
Okay.
In case if somebody is coming, ठीक है, with a low CGPA and with no experience particularly for any course out there, ठीक है, there might be stringent conditions जहाँ पे work experience required हो, तो I'm not going to talk about it. ठीक है, but जहाँ पे वो eligible है, over there हम उस eligible profile को competitive कैसे बनाएंगे is what profile building is all about. ठीक है, उसमें हम we can add knowledge enhancement in terms of certification courses. We can get some credibility or we can get some legitimate actions attributed to the profile in terms of research papers and internship. ठीक है, practical aspects के लिए work experience count कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, and the list goes on and on. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर एक वो एक पुश कर दे देता है आपको if you are having something extra in your profile, and that is what the entire or the totality of the picture is.
Okay, got it. Alright. So coming to the shortlist, हमारे पास initial shortlist में how many universities we had?
Initial shortlist में like before Kings.
हाँ, मतलब एकदम starting में the first shortlist that was created at ACE, any?
It was close to 35 universities, if I'm not wrong, in UK particularly.
In UK.
In UK.
In UK particularly 35 universities.
And you know how many are there in UK?
हाँ, UK में तो रसल ग्रुप में खुद ही 24 universities हैं, right? Okay, so you had almost 35 in total.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद then how exactly did you come down to these 10? What was your criteria of filtration?
I think the course, what exactly did the course incorporate? What was the things I would be studying? That was the main thing. Brand name, of course.
Curriculum, brand name. Anything else?
I think mostly these two only, curriculum and brand
Okay.
name.
And dream safe average हमने क्या सोच के डाला था?
ठीक है, I'll add on to the previous question itself something. Because मेरी जब माही के साथ पहली कॉल हुई थी, I remember vividly, ठीक है, कि माही was more focused towards branding. ठीक है, she wanted to get into a good program, of course, hands down. She's very logical about it. She was very logical. She's still very logical. But branding was something जो एक बहुत key factor था. We are seeking a good university, and with the good university, she wasn't meaning anything after ranked in UK after 20 or 30. No, she was aiming for the top ends, and that is what she got at the end. But brand name is not the only thing, which is what we actually perceive at Ace My Fair. Brand name should be there, okay? But apart from it, curriculum is something that I focus and I was heavily reliant on. Okay? Because when it comes to political economy, I think Mahi would agree with me on this. Okay? Curriculum matters a lot. ठीक है, because international relations और political economy में क्या फर्क है? बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. If चलो ठीक, माइक तुम बताओ. You just got done with political economy and international relations, both of them, दोनों में admit आया. But what is the difference in these courses?
I think international political economy comes under the umbrella of international relations only.
Okay.
But international relations is completely theoretical. It is like end में उसमें you have to publish a paper, you have I think end में I'll go into the field of academics only after international relations. I can go for like professor or something like that. I can go into that zone. But political economy is practicality as well as academics. मतलब उसमें I can get into any corporate field as well. जितने जगह मैंने बात किया because it also has economics into it.
Okay.
So I think it is an amalgamation of both of these things. And
Absolutely. ठीक है, if I have to conclude it for you because Mahi talks science, ठीक है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, बहरहाल, when it comes to international relations, ठीक है, that is a superset, that is a subset of political economy. ठीक है, international relations, it kind of connect the dots, social, economic, and political of all of these genres together, and it presents itself as something which is very theoretical.
Okay.
Right. Mahi was never focused on theoretical part, not heavily focused on theoretical part.
Yeah.
At the end, she wanted to work. Like she worked in fields or in connected to societies as well. So for that same reason, political economy played a vital part because it is very centered towards its approach. Right, the kind of thing that political economy focuses upon is, as the name speaks, it's policy and economics together, amalgamated together. ठीक है, तो उसकी practicality बढ़ जाती है. Right.
Okay.
In fact, the electives as well are more in number as compared to what international relations offer. So for that same reason हमने political economy decide किया था. In fact, in Kings हमने course change किया. Right. International relations हम इधर आए थे for the same reason because international relations में electives नहीं offer हो रहे थे. And it was very very heavily focused towards this connection making communication part, which is not what she was seeking at that point of time, and I think we still stand still on that.
Yeah.
Right. So there are differences among courses. बहुत when it comes to this shortlisting partner, curriculum matters a lot in the term. I have seen students who got into good universities, but later on they had to drop off. किस रीजन की वजह से? because they were not able to cope up with the curriculum. ठीक है, तो if you're planning to go abroad, if you're planning to invest in your masters, it's highly important to understand one thing, which is brand name should be there, but along with it, something to cope up in terms of curriculum needs to be there as well. ठीक है, curriculum needs to be robust यार, at the end आपका future depend करता है.
how do you choose the right course for yourself as well?
Exactly.
What are the other courses in this domain that a student from your background can aim for, Mahi?
There is public policy, there is global policy, there is masters in political science honors. All of this only under the political science bracket.
The umbrella is very wide here. कुछ भी आप उठाओ, you can amalgamate policy with it. I think it will come. In fact, tech is also coming in these days in
Right.
policy making part.
They're mixing it.
हाँ, absolutely.
तो coming back to my question,
Yeah.
how did we actually bifurcate the dream safe average? किसमें कितना रखेंगे? What was the combination?
Okay, this was the second question. ठीक है. When it comes to dream average safe now, you all know the drill. ठीक है. Dream is it depends. The metrics behind it is highly dependent upon the kind of acceptance rate that university holds. ठीक है, for the international candidate, and of course the approachability of that respective candidate's profile as well to that university. तो हमने क्या किया था कि we took a leap of faith. If you remember, I had a call with you. I vividly remember it. कि हमने क्या किया था? We usually when we were 10 university back, right, in that package, हमारे पास 4 से 5 dream name होते हैं. ठीक है. हमने 6 या 7 के dream name रखे थे. We had very less average and safe names. Close to none safe names I would say. ठीक है. उसमें पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी में कोई मेरी एक safe name था. ठीक है. उसके अलावा कोई safe name नहीं था.
और average and dream.
Exactly. Dream was close to 6 or 7. 6th year.
Yeah.
Right. So we took a leap of faith. ठीक है. I was very sure on the profile part.
Okay.
ठीक है, and I think we made it. But dream average safe needs to be a little more than passion, I would say. ठीक है. So my logic was behind the entire categorization part was कि हमारे पास profile में research paper था, not published yet हमने SOP में उसको highlight किया था. 2 research papers थे.
2 research.
But they were not published. ठीक है. So if we are not publishing a research paper, it stands nowhere. I'll be very honest with you. ठीक है. So, but we highlighted it in the SOP part of Mahi's, political science SOPs. Apart from it, we had 2 internships. They were not actually internships, according to me. Being honest with you,
Why exactly? I'm so
because
sorry to
tenure for a normal internship, summer internship, it needs to be at least 3 months.
तो आपके कितने महीने का था मानी?
2 महीने का.
2 महीने का. दोनों इंटर्नशिप 2 महीने के थे.
3 internships थे. एक था आई थिंक 3 months का
हाँ।
एक था 2 months का और एक
One
1
month।
month का था.
3 2 1 ओके
ठीक है, तो
Yeah.
हमने 2 हाईलाइट करे थे उसमें से।
Okay.
एक हमने 1 मंथ वाला हाईलाइट किया था बिकॉज उसमें पोटेंशियल रोल्स आपके फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम
हाँ,
वो हाईलाइट हो
ज़्यादा हो
रहे
रहे
थे
थे।
एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ।
तो वहाँ पे कंटेंट राइटिंग था, देयर वाज क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, देयर वाज पॉलिसी मेकिंग पार्ट वाज आल्सो देयर। हमने ये सब चीजें सीवी में हाईलाइट करी
हाँ।
एंड फॉर द सेम फॉर द सेकंड इंटर्नशिप।
हाँ।
एज आई सेड इट बिफोर, यूनिवर्सिटीज डू नॉट डिमांड अ लॉट नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू, रादर योर इंटेंट शुड बी वेरी मच क्लियर एंड प्रॉपर्ली प्रोजेक्टेड टू द यूनिवर्सिटी।
क्वालिटी ओवर
क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ।
तो 2 इंटर्नशिप दिखाई हमने, वी डिडंट शो द थर्ड वन। अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट रिसर्च पेपर्स हमने सीवी में नहीं दिखा, राइट?
ओह
that was something what Mahi said as well on the call कि क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे हमने।
माही को बुरा लगा होगा रिसर्च पेपर लिखना, इट्स लाइक अ लॉट।
I know.
हाँ.
It just got published अभी last
दोनों?
month. नहीं, एक हो गया, एक approve हो
on
गया.
that, finally.
Thank you. The
हाँ.
second one will be published, I think, at the end of this.
सो ये रिसर्च जो पब्लिश हुआ है वो LSE के उसमें डाला है हमने एप्लीकेशन में।
हाँ, LSE में मैंने
LSE
डाला
में
है.
डाला
जो
है।
first published हुआ, I edited
You
the
have to
SOP
do.
for that.
हाँ 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 ठीक है।
Following up, we actually attributed good number of certifications. माही के पास हार्वर्ड से सर्टिफिकेशन है, माही के पास if I'm not wrong येल से सर्टिफिकेशन
Yeah.
है, right? For
Columbia से, MIT
Columbia से
से.
MIT से भी है।
बट एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर आपकी सर्टिफिकेशंस माही सम आर इन क्रिएटिव राइटिंग एंड कंटेंट राइटिंग एज वेल।
After that, I did, after your suggestion only, I
हाँ.
did many, like Yale वाला, sorry, like the one in Yale is
हाँ.
in the field of public policy.
अच्छा, बट ये जो क्रिएटिव राइटिंग पार्ट वाला है वो इज डिड दैट कम इनटू रोल इन द एंटायर एप्लीकेशन?
According to me, that it plays a very subtle role. Like when it comes to these subjects where you have to connect with people, where you have to bond with people, talk about policy making, you need to be very clear and very abstract with what you're speaking and what you're writing. Creative writing is not a subject taught in this domain, but it's as a subject it's not left behind as well. Right? So अगर माही के पास ये certification था तो I didn't want it to go to waste. Right. So for the same reason I highlighted it particularly. ठीक है? It was marked in bold. If you see हमने
And
उसको
of course, I was also suggested by Nomer to do courses in economics because वो मेरा domain नहीं था.
हाँ.
So my main focus for the certification courses
हाँ.
was to do as many in the field of economics from good universities.
हाँ.
Because
So,
of-
हाँ
to-
go ahead.
that was to cover up for not having economics as a subject, but
ठीक है.
pursuing it for my masters.
ठीक है, that's perfect. So whatever we have done, we just portrayed it in the best way possible out
Absolutely.
there. ठीक है.
Absolutely.
And SOP I believe was the major strategy to crack these top names.
SOP was the biggest deal or biggest nut in the entire picture that we had to cut. So I think 2 से 3 बार हम लोग SOP पे सिर्फ बनाने में बैठे हैं, and that too me and Mahi, ठीक है, not about the team, ठीक है, टीम के साथ तो
Why was editing team not involved?
एडिटिंग टीम वाज इन्वॉल्वड, एडिटिंग
Okay.
टीम ने ड्राफ्ट बनाया, ठीक
Okay.
है, माही के पर्सपेक्टिव अलग था, ठीक है, वी हैड टू गेट डन विद द ड्राफ्ट अगेन, ठीक है, देन उसके बाद क्या, देन उसमें कुछ चीजें थी लैक्स थे, देन वी हैड टू सिट ऑन इट अगेन।
Okay.
तो आई रिमेंबर मैंने 2 से 3 बार माही के SOP खुद करे हैं,
Okay.
ठीक है, जस्ट टू सेव ऑन द टाइम बिकॉज डेडलाइन बहुत क्लोज थी। थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट चाहे साइकोलॉजी हो, पॉलिटिकल साइंस हो, हिस्ट्री हो, इसके अंदर SOP इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी पाइवटल एंड प्लेज अ वेरी कॉन्क्रीट रोल इन द एंटायर पिक्चर। ठीक है, you can add good number of things to your profile, you can add internship, you can add research articles, you can add a good number of things, a lot number of things I would say. But अगर SOP concrete नहीं है, SOP dots connect नहीं कर रहा है regarding why you are applying to this program and how you can contribute as well to the cohort available, then trust me वहाँ पर वो picture vibrant नहीं हो पाएगी यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए, क्योंकि theoretical course के अंदर आपको बताना पड़ेगा like why are you even coming from India to study a theoretical course over here, जिसका ROI इतना अच्छा नहीं होता to be honest, ठीक है, अगर आप अच्छी जगह से नहीं कर रहे हो तो कनेक्शन मेकिंग ये सब चीजें आपको दिखानी पड़ेंगी। दिस इज व्हाट वी वर्क ऑन द एंटायर SOP पार्ट। हमने इवन दो हमने रिसर्च पेपर नहीं दिखाया था, बट वी डिड मेंशन कि हमने रिसर्च पेपर किया है, पब्लिश नहीं हुआ है अभी, बट वी हैव वर्कड ऑन इट, ठीक है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, हमने हर एक सर्टिफिकेशन करने का रीजन भी दिखाया है उसके अंदर,
Okay.
कि व्हाई डिड वी इवन डू दिस सर्टिफिकेशन, क्या रीजन था, LSE क्यों टारगेट कर रहे थे, किंग्स क्यों टारगेट कर रहे थे। तो बहुत आई वुड से इट वाज लाइक अ चाइल्ड वर्क, नॉट अ चाइल्ड वर्क, इट वाज लाइक अ जर्नी of a child becoming a man, I would say, if that analogy is clear to you, ठीक है, हमने हर एक चीज बहुत शुरू करी थी।
नहीं, आई वुड से देखो जब हम यूनिवर्सिटीज में बाहर अप्लाई करते हैं, इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि अभी तक हमने कर क्या रखा है, इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट व्हेन यू आर मूविंग अब्रॉड, आप उसको दिखा कैसे रहे हो यूनिवर्सिटी को, इट्स नॉट अबाउट व्हाट यू हैव डन बट हाउ यू शो इट, राइट। एंड आपने जैसे द स्टोरी दैट यू पोर्ट्रे एंड दैट्स व्हाट एक्चुअली इज योर USP, आई वुड से।
Of course.
बट SOP इज लाइक the biggest thing है, 70% weightage. How did you say yes, Mahi, कि अब तो चलो कर लेते हैं, because you're very peculiar and particular about things.
Yeah, I think I come from a field of creative writing. I've
Huh.
always been like writing is always like sorry.
She actually, she has a certificate of state participation or something of state level, right, for essay writing itself.
Yeah.
You love to write?
I love to write a lot. I write poems, I write stories, I
Write
write
anything about Ashwin.
I write
रिव्यू लिखा है एएमपी के बारे में?
नहीं, अभी मुझे बताया ही नहीं गया
No,
था.
it's not getting.
Nobody told me about that. So yeah,
I think I harbor a great affinity towards writing. So that is there. तो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत मतलब ये था कि I was very focused कि I have to see how my SOP goes.
Okay.
Because I was very particular कि ऐसे ऐसे ये लिखना है. तो I told मैं many times ये edit करते. I have done at least like many certifications. So इन्होंने बहुत सारे certifications नहीं डाले थे. ये नहीं डाला. But then I told him कि नहीं. Let's put this also.
Actually, I had to listen to her because at the end, she knew what that certification was in depth about it. Okay? I just didn't want to pile it up.
Right.
So just for the sake of adding
It's like
things.
just loads of information,
Exactly,
मतलब क्या
but not
होता है?
making any
हाँ.
sense. ठीक है? Universities are very peculiar. ठीक है? They want something of quality, not quantity. तो for that same reason हमने बहुत चीजें नहीं दिखाई. I'll be very honest with you. CV में भी I guess arts and law certifications ही है. But
Okay.
she's right now, as far as I remember, अगर आगे कुछ नहीं किया है, close to 15 or 20 certification है इसके पास अभी. इनके पास अभी भी.
It's okay. हाँ. Okay, ठीक है, all right. तो any interview rounds you had?
No.
No. तो इस कोर्स में स्पेसिफिकली कभी
Not
इंटरव्यू
actually.
होता नहीं है?
If you're bringing something skeptical in terms of CGP or anything, तब हो सकता है. But usually नहीं होता. Management courses और technical courses में रहता है. Theoretical courses में interview नहीं करना पड़ता.
Okay, all
इनफैक्ट
right.
कैस आईडी में भी आई थिंक बहुत इशू नहीं आने वाला माही पर.
हाँ.
क्योंकि किंग्स है और किंग्स का होम ऑफिस के साथ कनेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा करता है. किंग्स इंपीरियल एंड सब यूनिवर्सिटी.
The brand name based.
Brand name based.
Absolutely. ठीक है, माही ऑफर आ गया, फाइनलाइज कर लिया. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप वीजा. Where are we right now with visa? अभी स्टार्ट हुआ?
अभी तक तो नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ वीजा प्रोसेस. नाउ वी विल गेट इनटू द ऑनबोर्डिंग.
When is onboarding?
The visa onboarding it was supposed to happen today,
Okay.
but because of some pre-commitments, we're not going to do it. But yes, I think probably by tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
We'll be starting
We'll be
with
starting
the
with the
visa.
visa part.
हाँ, ठीक है. Alright, अभी कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स अरेंज करना स्टार्ट किया हमने, वो अब बाद में ही करेंगे, लाइक फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स एवरीथिंग.
नहीं अभी तक तो
अभी तक nothing as such will be, everything would be
That
done
is yet
after.
to
That is yet to be started. ठीक है. All right. So ठीक है, visa अभी right now we'll have to start. Let's look into something that's the next step for you. Once you move there, what are your plans? Part time job करना है, नहीं करना है? What is the
Party
thing?
करनी है.
हाँ पार्टी तो करनी ही है.
Of course, but yeah, I'm thinking about part-time jobs, more like research jobs, like you said.
हाँ.
Okay, more into the field of academics rather than working at the Starbucks or something.
I remember Mahi asked me to connect to a professor.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you.
Ask you to connect to a professor.
Yes, because she was more looking towards a research paper under a professor
Okay.
from LSE.
Okay.
So I did do that, and if I'm not wrong, she reached out to me again as well.
Yeah.
Not for any approval purpose, but yet she was seeking out for some. It was about what are you seeking for? From that university and that professor.
Right.
So in case if you want, we can connect with her as well again.
Absolutely connect यार जितना हो सके. Even भाई अभी मैं point वही था कि networking. अभी आप जब जा रहे हो RITA के लिए, are you connected with students who are already there in Kings?
Not in Kings.
हाँ,
In
तो
other universities.
अभी जा तो किंग्स ही रहे हो, वहीं पे कर लो कनेक्ट, राइट? बिकॉज वंस यू कनेक्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज वंस द कनेक्शन इज एक्सेप्टेड, आप उनसे यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट टॉकिंग विद देम एंड यू कैन जस्ट स्पीक विद देम कि हाउ आर थिंग्स, वहाँ पे भी पार्ट टाइम जॉब मिलने के लिए व्हाट आर थिंग्स, सो दैट यू कैन क्रिएट अ स्ट्रैटेजी अभी से. वहाँ जाके यू आर नॉट स्टक कि यार अब क्या करूँ, बिकॉज देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन योर प्लेट एज वेल कि ये भी करना है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे बर्तन धोने से लेके कपड़े धोने से लेके एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू सॉर्ट.
Of
सो
course.
दैट आल्सो बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग बैरियर दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम फिर बहुत मेसी फील होता है, chaotic फील होता है. तो व्हाटएवर यू कैन सॉर्ट यहाँ से वो कर लो.
Of course.
व्हाट आर यू मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट?
Right now, like just.
Are you excited first
Of course, I'm very excited.
हाँ.
I'm very excited. Right now, I think the fact that I am going to a different country altogether, I'm going to start a new life over there for a while. About the exposure, about broadening my horizons, about living around a different culture, I think that is something I'm very excited about right now.
Perfect. So long term goal क्या, like you are planning to stay as well or you are planning to explore the Europe? और you're planning to come back, कुछ है long term plan अभी?
अभी फिलहाल तो I'll figure that out once I go. I'll see कि
Lot
मतलब
to figure out already अभी तो, हाँ.
I'll see कि how that goes. I was planning कि मैं research degree भी एक करूँ from Europe only, but I'll see if like is it worth it or not. पढ़ के I'll figure that out eventually.
Absolutely. ठीक है, perfect. So see here at ACE में प्रज्ञा माही मतलब कहीं पे भी हो, मैंने आपको जैसे स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, students before getting on board with us they come with a very big question mark, यार होगा नहीं होगा, and then while you are actually departing you are a success story that is to other students, right? So what was that deciding factor, मतलब this thing we had a discussion as well कि ACE में prep के साथ ही जाना है, because I think we just had one session,
Yeah.
right? But your father is very particular, I believe कि ये करना है, so
Right.
what actually made you choose कि चलो अब कर सकते हैं?
I think I looked at your guys LinkedIn and Instagram. मैंने अपना खुद से भी research किया, बहुत check किया because I was very happy about the interaction we had. आपने बहुत suggestions मुझे दिए थे which I found very valuable and important for my field. वो मुझे कहीं और से नहीं मिला था. LinkedIn बनाओ, I would not even thought of it कि अब मुझे बनाना चाहिए. मैंने नहीं बनाया था. आई थॉट कि मेरे पास उतना कुछ है नहीं कि मैं डालूँ, बट देन आपने बोला यू हैव सर्टिफिकेशंस, एक बार बना लो, एंड वी यूज दैट इन आवर CV. तो दैट केम टू सर्टिफिकेशंस के लिए बोला था कि यू डोंट हैव certifications related to your course. So I did that also. I bagged an internship in a think tank, at a very prominent think tank. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत important था. तो those feedbacks I think कहीं ना कहीं that motivated me to go ahead because you need constructive criticism.
Agreed. You don't want a yes man कि हो गया बस कर लो, right?
Exactly.
ठीक है. How did you get to know about us वैसे?
Through your LinkedIn, I discovered your.
अच्छा, via LinkedIn only you got to
Yeah.
know about us. ठीक है. Alright. So moving to one factor as Numair हम discuss कर रहे थे, तो two questions I missed, तो मैं वो भी cover करूँगी. So Numair, as we were discussing कि you joined us in December.
Right.
We were towards the end of कि अब September के जो application rounds हमारे rolling basis के खत्म हो रहे हैं. So इतने quickly process करना, what was the timeline that we followed then?
ठीक है, तो first of all UK majorly UK operates on a rolling basis. ठीक
Okay,
है?
हाँ.
Even though there are fixed deadlines for some universities, but for those universities itself, ठीक है, what happens in the long run, people migrate to different universities in UK if they get a promotion, right?
हाँ.
So for that same reason, rolling basis पे हमेशा रहता है. When it comes to Mahi's case particularly, we did miss out on to some good universities applications,
Right.
considering Imperial College, of course, all of them. Okay, I wanted her to apply to Imperial as well. I think we would have cracked it too, because Imperial, King's is better than Imperial even though, but yet you know, the course that Imperial offered, which was Masters in Public and Economic Policy, okay, that was something which I liked personally.
Okay.
So I wanted her to apply, but January my application chala gaya tha.
चला गया.
For the same reason, what we did now, I remember this on the call. I actually, you know, I scolded Mahi because you know she was not at all being cooperative in terms of submitting the application. We were done with each and everything.
Why?
SOP was because her exams were there.
My exams were there, and I was also waiting for the research paper too. I wanted to add it in the application,
अच्छा.
and वो मैं लिख ही रही थी उस टाइम, वो complete नहीं हुआ था.
I knew this for a fact कि अगर हम लोग एक महीना भी वेट करने में निकाल लें, might be possible कि application reject हो जाए, even though profile अच्छा हो चुका है. For that same reason, I had a call. You know, I gave her an ultimatum कि हमको किसी भी हालत में February तक की application करनी है, खत्म करनी है. That was like the deadline with जो हमने बात करी. And as you know, नहीं हुआ वो. March तक application की थी, but at the end finally हमने March 10 या March 11 पे अपनी applications close कर दी.
Okay.
ठीक है. And you know, later on एक महीने में आपके एडमिट्स आने शुरू हुए थे. Like by April और mid of April particularly हमारे पास क्वीन मेरी का पहला एडमिट आया.
अच्छा, क्वीन मेरी का
सबसे पहला.
Queen Mary, फिर Sussex आ गया,
फिर धीरे
सब आने लगे.
We were scholars of the table itself. 1, 2, 3. Offers weren't stopping. I was hoping कि LSE
That's a great
LSE
thing.
देखे.
No.
But ये I believe this bullish attitude and जो strict timeline जो हमने follow किया, क्योंकि अगर वो miss हो जाता, then end moment पे things always go south here and there, right? So Mahi, you are going to the UK and वहाँ पे you have न्यूज़ में बहुत चल रहा है कि अभी post study work visa 2 years से 6 months करने वाले थे. Recession के बारे में सुनने को आता है. There's a lot that people have been speaking about and rumors get into the head. How are you dealing with that?
Okay, I am reading articles about the recession, and I think वो अभी बहुत there has been a change.
Yes.
It is no more in recession right now. Of course, it is not in a very good economic condition, but it is no more in a recession. So that I was very glad about. एंड मुझे बेसिकली आई हैव टू गो देयर टू स्टडी राइट नाउ.
हाँ.
मेरा प्लान अभी वर्क करना या जॉब करना राइट नाउ तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो मेरा हमेशा से था कि आई हैव टू गो एंड स्टडी. तो आई डिड नॉट लेट ऑल ऑफ दैट गेट इनटू माय हेड, आई वुड से.
So did you get any negative comments from anyone in your circle कि UK मत जाओ, it's
Yeah,
not good?
about the recession I did. Many of my friends were like, why are you choosing the UK? Go to Canada, go to US.
How
तो
do you
मेरे
deal
से-
with that?
I just told them कि I have always been very sure about what I wanted to do, which course I wanted to pursue. So हमेशा UK has always been in the top of my list कि मुझे अगर if I want to pursue this course मुझे यहाँ से करना है because this is the best.
Absolutely.
So that is how I was very particular. I was focused कि नहीं, I did not let anything like that get into my head because there was focus about what I want to do, about my goals.
Okay. Even we read that article जहाँ पे अभी था कि we are sticking with the 2-year policy, अभी
Right.
6 months का हटा
6
नहीं
months का हटा
रहे
नहीं
and recession phase is getting over and again see जो हमने बात की थी ROI का brand name है, networking करो, who will come and stop you from doing whatever you want to, right? That's the
Absolutely. People perceive this notion of recession as something which is very prominent. No, trust me, coming from my economics background, I know this completely that when recession happens, it's not something that inflation. The main concept of recession is that inflation rises.
हाँ.
Right? Inflation is there or at its peak, which basic. I'm not going to go in detail. ठीक है, of course. ठीक है, तो main agenda या crux ये है कि recession के बाद there's always a boom coming because supply आता है, आपके पास demand आता है. ठीक है, to actually put that imbalance out of the market.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो रिसेशन आपका होमलैंड सिक्योरिटी ने ऑफर कर दिया है. ठीक है, होम ऑफिस यूके ने बता दिया, लाइक अनाउंस कर दिया पब्लिकली कि रिसेशन से बाहर आ चुके हैं. तो डाउन द लेन आफ्टर आई गेस प्रोबेबली 2 years 3 years यूके will be very stable. It's still stable. It depends upon the kind of jobs you're looking for.
Absolutely.
If you're going for research, if you're going for probably in jobs itself अगर आप supply chain management or anything related to these programs जा रहे हो, recession is not there, trust me. ठीक है, the jobs are very fluent, they are very prosperous.
हाँ, बट ये स्टूडेंट्स का ना मानना होता है व्हाट आई बिलीव कि प्लेट में सदा सजा वो मिल जाएगा.
हाँ, of
दैट विल बी देयर एंड पीपल विल कम, प्लेसमेंट्स है जैसे इंडिया में होता है, दे फील दैट एंड इफ वी आर इन दैट पोजीशन दे फॉल प्रे टू इट. दैट्स देयर.
Yeah, adding the same thing on the conversation, which is MAC, which is Migration Advisory Committee of UK. उन्होंने
हाँ.
respectively post किया on all of their social handles that UK has come out of the recession and the post-study work visa or graduate route, which is where what UK actually calls their post-study work visa, still stands at 2 years.
Okay.
And this was like for the July intake as well.
Hmm.
So we are not at all having any problem with when it comes to applying to UK and not just UK. ठीक है, being in Europe as well, जहाँ रिसेशन आने की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, रिसेशन इज नॉट अबाउट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज, रादर इट्स ओनली अबाउट कि इन्फ्लेशन आ जाएगा. इन्फ्लेशन में महंगाई बढ़ती है, जॉब नहीं कम होती है. पीपल परसीव इट एज समथिंग ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
ठीक है, ऑलराइट. So Mahi, almost moving towards the end of the podcast, we discussed abhi tak almost about the entire process. So on a scale of 1 to 10, if you were to rate your journey with Ace My Prep, how much would you?
I would rate it an 11 if I could because the journey has been phenomenal. मुझे जो चाहिए था अपने प्रोफाइल में, the way I wanted my profile to be showcased, the way I wanted it to be enhanced, whatever I wanted to be integrated, वो ultimately हुआ.
चलो, I'm really happy to hear that December से अभी तक का journey has been phenomenal.
And also, I did not have so much time on my plate. I am bothered Numair a lot because मेरे पास time नहीं था, तो मैंने I kind of procrastinated somewhere because I was working on my research paper. तो उसके लिए I wanted that on my CV. तो it takes time to like write
Agreed.
that.
So इसी बात पे few words for your CS career strategies.
I think it was a great journey. I would suggest students to go forward with you because I think Numair has been professional as well as like he was like a friend also. I don't think of him like as my career strategist, as someone very professional. I think I had a very cool friends वाला
It
relation.
should be like that क्योंकि
Yeah.
आपकी journey was of a few months and
Yeah.
trust me, ऐसे भी students होते हैं जिनका 1.5 years का भी journey चलता है, right? जो round 1 से ही start कर देते हैं. And with them, if you're just transactional professional कि ऐसे करो, it's not going
It's
to
not
work.
going to
You
work.
always have to somewhere break that boundary yet maintain the thin line
Of
as
course.
well. But that is how I believe we move ahead together. ठीक है. All right. Genuine feedback from your end, Mahi, for entire. Like I really want any negatives, positives about your entire journey with Ace My Prep. Be unfiltered, chill है, बोल दो.
IELTS का बोल दो.
बोल दो, whatever it is. Actually, I would want to hear as well.
ठीक है, आई थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट जर्नी. आई थिंक मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा जो भी मुझे एग्जैक्टली हाउ आई वॉन्टेड इट थिंग्स हैपेंड दैट वे. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट इन टू अ टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी दैट हैपेंड. सो आई थिंक एवरीथिंग वॉज ग्रेट. थोड़ा सा था कि IELTS का एक प्रॉब्लम था. द टीचर वॉज सपोज टू टीच मी, तो टाइमिंग का एक इशू हो गया था.
अच्छा, टाइमिंग इशू. सो
Yeah.
द क्लास टाइमिंग्स वर नॉट अलाइनिंग विद योर
Yeah,
अवेलेबिलिटी.
yeah.
सो अभी IELTS का हाउ आर यू ट्रेनिंग? हाउ आर यू?
I am doing it independently.
Okay.
So I am doing it by my own. It's not very difficult कि मतलब I think उतना ज़रूरी भी नहीं है
हाँ.
to take up a course or something.
नहीं, बट आई बिलीव नुमैर आप
Yeah,
जैसे
I-
एग्जाम्स खत्म हो जाएंगे ना, 5th को खत्म
Right.
हो रहे हैं, देन वी कैन एटलीस्ट शेड्यूल सम क्लासेस और मॉक्स.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
I
that
wanted
is-
to urge
yeah.
people for that. पहले भी बात हुई थी. What basically happened ना कि there was a clash of timings as she said, because हमारे batches, you know, we have one batch at 12, we have one at 5, one at 3 as well nowadays, right? But Mahi available उस time पे नहीं हो पा रही थी because उनकी classes थी, exams थे. For that same reason, it was a lot to handle for her. ठीक है, तो हम लोग नहीं conduct कर पाए. In fact 2 से 3 बार, you know, we tried to conduct classes. 1 से 2 बार हुआ भी. But because timings नहीं match हो पा रही थी, so we couldn't incorporate anything over there. But trust me, IELTS हो जाएगा. ठीक है, I've had a word with her. ठीक है, I've had a word with the trainer as well. We're gonna get done with IELTS fair as well.
वो उधर भी अब कर रहे हो, एंड few mocks here as well to just boost up your confidence.
Of course.
ठीक है, perfect. Mahi, so before ending the podcast, I would want you to give a piece of advice to all the UK aspirants specifically who are planning to move abroad.
I think the piece of advice I would give is again to not focus on the numbers. I would say कि जो भी मतलब हाँ जितना भी extra curriculars you can do that and make it a very holistic profile. And yeah, that is it.
Indian parents coming in, focus on the numbers.
Yeah.
You get good CGPA and get enrolled at Ismail.
Of course, definitely.
चलो ठीक है, thank you so much Mahi, thank you Numair for the
Right, right.
podcast. So at Ace My Prep, every student is a story. A story wherein we want them to be the hero. And today we had with us our hero Mahi. Looking forward to other students, other heroic stories and moving ahead with the same. Thank you.